Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my custom Jason Part 6 mask that I made. I remember back in September, I made literally like a whole video of my Jason Part 6, and I've been working on this Part 6 costume for literally over a month. And if you don't remember, the mask I used was a Spirit Halloween mask. And yeah, one thing I do notice about this mask now is that I painted it the wrong color. It should be... Actually, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Alright, so here's the finished mask. So I didn't start from scratch. I've already learned my lesson about doing that. What I mean by that is when I made my Part 9 Jason Goes to Hell mask, I didn't have any base hockey masks like this to start with, so I literally made it scratch. But now I'm starting to wonder if that was the smartest choice. So the first thing I did was marked out where to drill some extra holes, and then I drilled them with the drill. The hardest hole to drill would be the one on the nose, although that one I'd say turned out perfect. Then I made the axe crack. Yeah. And that was like a base Jason mask, so then I had to get started on the strap. So as you can see, the strap was wrapped around this, which is inaccurate, so basically you just cut the stitches that held the loop together specifically on that so that I'd have a lot more to work with and it wouldn't look ridiculous. And then I glued the ends together, and then I needed to put a hole for the paper fastener that I used to reattach it to go in, but I wasn't gonna cut through, but I couldn't hole punch my way through the glue, so I asked my dad for some help and he carved at it with a knife until it worked. Then he just did that for the other side. Then I put the paper fastener in and reinstalled it on the inside, and I just put some tape so that it doesn't irritate me while I'm wearing the mask. Yeah, but the problem was Jason's mask has two straps, when that goes around here, which is the one that came with the mask, but there's also another one that goes over the top of the head. But you could try to just do it. You can follow the exact same steps I did, but you need to do it based on your head size. But I don't have any black elastic strap. Yeah, so I asked my dad if he could look at the dollar store for some stuff. And he bought two things. He got me some white elastic. At first I didn't know why, because Jason's elastic is black, not white. But he said that it wasn't for what I was trying to do, it was for a future thing. So yeah, to this day, I still haven't even opened it. And I don't think I will until I need it for something. But what he also bought was, this was from Canadian Tire, was All Mother hockey mask. Now this one is very flexible. As you can see, it was supposed to have two straps, but it only had this one, and I cut that off so that I could use it for the top one. I didn't need to glue the two hems together. I just made the hole, and yeah. I did have to cut some of the paper fastener off, because it was gonna get in the way of the axe crack. So yeah, now I had a base Jason mask. The next step was to weather it. So, I used yellow. It's really noticeable right here to kind of give it like a lot of grime and dirt. Now that I'm thinking ahead, that's more part 7 accurate. So I could have just skipped that. Yeah. And the big difference is the black weathering. I absolutely love the way the black turned out. As you can, I don't know if you can see that, but there is some black paint in the eye holes. I wasn't too impressed with the way it like really closed against my face, and that's inaccurate. So I say I had about 4 layers of craft foam in there to kind of like bring it off my face. Yeah. Oh, I forgot all about the chevron. Ow. So the chevron I hand painted myself using the perfect dark red color. It may look light red on camera, but I assure you it's not. We have really bright lights in our basement, so yeah. So yeah, this I guess in a way is like a part 6 update. Speaking of, I just want to assure you that for my part 6 costume, I do have some gray pants. I didn't show that in my video, but just to assure you, I do. My neck, I am going to be updating my part 6 costume if you want to know. My next update is probably going to be his belt. It was just a black belt, and I had markers for the darts, but I'm thinking of scrapping the dart idea and making, the pouch. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and whoops, wrong mask.